Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2020 Jaguar E-PACE 2.0 D150 R-Dynamic, a sporty and stylish compact SUV that offers premium comfort and advanced technology. Finished in white with a black leather and cloth interior, it perfectly balances practicality and performance. At the side, this SUV sits on 17-inch alloy wheels, with body-colored bumpers and electric folding mirrors enhancing its refined design. At the rear, the LED taillights, reverse camera, and front and rear parking sensors provide modern styling and convenience. Powered by a 2.0-liter D150 diesel engine, the E-PACE delivers a smooth and efficient drive. Cruise control ensures comfort, while Jaguar's dynamic handling provides agility on the road. At the front, the R-Dynamic body kit, signature Jaguar grille, and sleek LED headlights give the E-PACE a bold and dynamic look. Stepping inside, enjoy heated front seats, a heated windscreen, and an intuitive infotainment system featuring Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and keyless start for a connected driving experience. The rear seats offer premium materials and generous legroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. A spacious cargo area provides excellent practicality, making the E-PACE ideal for daily use and weekend adventures. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration MF20NSE to book a test drive or request a video tour.